When it is a hot and sunny summer day, lots of people go to the beach. They go to the beach to sit on the sand, sunbathe, and swim in the ocean. It is great to relax at the beach and watch the waves of the ocean. People take towels to sit on, sun cream to protect their skin, sunglasses and sun hats to the beach. They normally put all of these things in a beach bag, a bag that they only use when they go to the beach. At the beach, children play in the sea, make sandcastles, or look for shells. When they make sandcastles, they use spades to pick the sand up, and they put the sand in a bucket. They also use buckets to put the shells in. Children also like to play in the ocean when they are at the beach. They can jump the waves or use a bodyboard to catch the waves. A bodyboard is like a surfboard, but you don't stand up on it. You lie all your body on it. It is easy for children to use a bodyboard, but it is more difficult for them to use a surfboard. When adults are at the beach, they usually like to lie on their towel and watch the waves or sunbathe. But there are other things that they can do. They can read a book, go for a walk along the sea, or have a drink at a beach bar. At some beaches, you can hire a jet ski, a kayak, or a small boat. It is a really fun activity if you are traveling with your family or your friends. You can spend 30 minutes or 1 hour on these boats. Jet skis and boats are more expensive, but kayaks are normally cheaper. When I go to the beach, I like to swim in the ocean and go for a walk. I like to be active, and I don't like to lie on my towel for a long time. I think that it is more exciting to do different activities. Also, I get sunburnt very quickly. I am careful with the sun, and I always wear sun cream. I often take a parasol to the beach. A parasol is an umbrella that you can take to the beach to protect yourself from the sun. It is a great idea if you normally get sunburnt. My favorite beaches in Europe are in Greece, France, and Spain. People say that the best beaches in the world are in Mexico, Australia, Brazil, and Thailand. Which do you think is the best beach in the world? Let me know in the comment section. I like beaches where there aren't a lot of people. I don't like it when you go to a beach and there are so many people because it isn't very relaxing. I think that a perfect beach is one with palm trees, clear blue water, and with not a lot of people. You can practice a lot of sports at the beach. Like we said before, you can do bodyboarding or surfing in the ocean if there are waves at that beach. You can practice windsurfing and kite surfing in the ocean. The weather must be a little bit windy to practice these sports. You can go to windsurfing and kite surfing classes. They are very fun and it is a great idea if you are at the beach with your friends. Also, you can practice sailing if you know how to sail a boat. Now I want you to answer these questions and write the answers in the comment box, and I will correct your answers. The first question is, what do you normally do at the beach? The second question is, which is the best beach in the world for you? The third question is, what don't you like to do at the beach? And finally, what beach in the world do you want to visit? If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.